In case you missed it, Melly just got blindsided by the feds. Looks like they're turning Bortlin against him. The latest report says a no communication order has been filed in the Melly trial. The order makes Melly and Bortlin completely separate. No talking, no communication through lawyers, just silence. Prosecutors are clearly playing chess, forcing Bortlin's hand by trying him and Melly together next, basically setting him up to flip. The judge then announced this in court, with Melly and his legal team present to hear it firsthand. The scariest part is, if Bortlin knows he didn't commit this crime, it's hard to imagine him sitting there quietly, willing to take a life sentence on the chin. That makes it way more likely he'll point the finger at Melly to save himself. Interestingly, all of this is unfolding at a very convenient time. Just recently, news broke that Melly's lawyers have officially submitted their final paperwork requesting his release on bond until his trial in September. This time, they're fully confident he'll be released, especially after Melly's mother gave a public update on his bond situation. A new bond package was put together for Melly, and it was announced that his legal team proposed an unspecified amount, set to be paid by his record label, 300 Entertainment. If granted bond, they assured the judge that Melly would remain on house arrest, wear an ankle monitor, and have 24/7 private security to monitor him. The bond proposal was seen as so solid that one rapper even commented, "That boy Melly coming home, I feel it." To support their argument, Melly's team highlighted how he's been treated behind bars, with his mother publicly speaking out about the conditions he's faced. His lawyers also introduced key evidence that could cast serious doubt on the prosecution's case, specifically GPS data that reportedly proves Melly wasn't even in the car when the murders happened. Instead, they claim he was sprinting down the street, hiding in a bush during the time of the crime. To strengthen the theory of a drive-by shooting, they pointed out that no murder weapon was ever recovered. But just as Melly's chances for release were starting to look promising, prosecutors made a disturbing move. They brought in both his best friend, Bortlin, and his ex-girlfriend, Mariah, preparing to make deals for them to testify against him. Mariah, who had been hiding outside the U.S. for 3 years, was supposed to testify in the first trial, but disappeared, leading to her eventual arrest. Now, it looks like they're both being lined up as key witnesses for the prosecution. The judge ended up cutting a deal with Mariah, Melly's ex, after she agreed to testify in the second trial. As a result, she was released from jail and later posted on Facebook, "Thank you to my village. I love y'all so much."
The beginning. How it all started. The Kapoor family's legacy started with Prithviraj Kapoor. He was one of the first theater and film actors in India. His outstanding acting talent soon made him famous. Prithviraj had 3 sons who also entered the world of films: Raj Kapoor, Shami Kapoor, and Shashi Kapoor. Among them, Raj Kapoor became known as the Showman of India. His films like Awara and Shri 420 are still considered classics today. Raj Kapoor's generation. Ruling Bollywood, Raj Kapoor's sons, Ranbir Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, and Rajiv Kapoor, also stepped into the film world. Among them, Rishi Kapoor became a superstar with hit films like Bobby and Chandni. Today, Rishi Kapoor's son, Ranbir Kapoor, is one of the biggest stars of the current generation. His movies like Barfi, Rockstar, and Sanju were massive hits.